everybody saw us beating, let's say, China. They're devaluing their currency to a level that you wouldn't believe.
China.
Oh my god, dude. We're stupid, man. China. Hey, that video was from Grande on YouTube. Yeah. Interesting situation. No credit for that one. We'll put it down there. But yes, China, man. You know, today we're talking about some sneaky people. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the STAKK Crypto channel. It's your boy Brazen.
And your boy Double O.
Look, man, Double O. We came across something the other day. I know we're late to the party, okay? We're late to the party and everything. That's fine. But, okay, this is worth talking about. Some sneaky situations going on here. Check this out. China emerges as the second largest Bitcoin mining hub despite ban. How is that?
Not surprised.
I mean, dude, it's... Talk about sneaky people, okay? Here, we'll add on to this. A report from Cambridge exploring Bitcoin mining shows the United States as the dominant global player and China in second, despite the country's ban last year. New data from Cambridge details a portrait for the global hash rate of Bitcoin mining. Now, the US clearly leading 37.84% of the global hash rate, and China surged to almost 22% following the mining ban from last year.
2021?
22% increase, right? And of course, we're going to get into some more details on the states that have the most mining here in the United States. But there is speculations, obviously, that some of this may be either through, what would you say, underground mining, right? So people who have power off grid, or people who have found a way to hide their power usage, if you will.
Plus, association with governments.
Yeah.
People in government.
Yeah, given China's history, I think it is most of the association with government, right? But even then, I would say that has to be the situation because this is a massive rise, right? If we look at this, following the ban last year, which, by the way, I think this was horrible for the environment because a bunch of pollution happened to relocate something that did not need to be relocated necessarily. But following the ban last year, we saw that miners started moving out. Some of them went to Kazakhstan, right? And some of them are still holding. Kazakhstan currently holds 13% of the hash rate. Canada is at 6.4 and Russia is at 4.6, probably dropping. Who knows, right? But here's the thing. First of all, for those guys in Kazakhstan, I think that's definitely going to be dropping because there have been reports of like power outages and like week-long internet outages after a bunch of mining started happening out there. But we also see that the US is leading, with Georgia being 30% of the global hash rate right now, and Texas coming in with 11.22% and Kentucky at 10%. This also now shows me that you really can't trust anyone. One. Two, it also tells me that China realizes that there is a level of importance to this Bitcoin and banning it may not be in their interests.
I'll add to that. China is actually becoming number one in energy, in renewable energy.
Of course.
China could be mining those Bitcoin a lot more efficient right now while we're still over here trying to catch up.
Absolutely. Look, man, it's I thought this was an interesting one. Definitely one to just put out there and check it out. I think Bitcoin is resilient. Bitcoin is unbeatable. There's never been any invention known to humanity like this. And I think every time Bitcoin is tested and it keeps going forward, it is just continuously proving why we need this technology in the first place. You see what I'm saying? So that's where I stand on that. Final thoughts, sir.
Hey, it's just, I don't want to use the word freaking amazing, but I've used it already.
It is freaking amazing. It is freaking amazing.
China put a lockdown on Bitcoin and it still came back up at 22% a year later.
Look, man, Bitcoin is winning. Bitcoin is... I don't want to sound like a fanboy of Bitcoin or anything like that, or like I'm trying to like push anyone to like
Maximalist, what are you talking about?
well this, well
You're
I'm
a
like
fanboy.
I'm like no I'm like two notches below a maximalist, because there are maximalists who just think that there is no other way but Bitcoin. I am more so like, listen, Bitcoin is the superior asset, and there's other things that can complement its growth. We just need to find those specific things, and those specific things is not the whole altcoin market.
Yeah.
The whole altcoin market is chaos. You see what I'm saying? So look, I don't care if someone buys Bitcoin or not. Does not affect me. You know what I mean? But the reality of the situation is, as time evolves, right, it would be nice for all of us to win together, right? Well, look, I think that's pretty much the bottom line on that situation there. Before we leave, this is the last thing I will show, okay? You can see the hash rate of Bitcoin coming right back after the past pullback when the Bitcoin mining was banned in China. And you can see that the hash rate has been continuously rising ever since then, now at an all-time high. And we know that as this hash rate rises, the more secure the Bitcoin network is, the more it's imprinting itself into our society, and the more it is a much more reliable source or platform for transactions.
This is why
Right.
they say don't look at the price. You can see it now at this current price, but Bitcoin
Yeah.
is still doing its thing.
It
It's
is
going on.
We are here, man. We'll keep accumulating. Well, final thoughts before we close this one out, Double O. We out. Let's go. Oh man, that was funny.